we got the grandfather to my bike. We got the FLT Tour Glide Classic. A gentleman brought it to me because it was having running issues. Well, he wanted me to rebuild the S&S Super E that was on it. I had to rebuild the Super E with the kit that he brought me, and rebuilt that, all good to go. Try to get fuel flow from the tank to the petcock that he had on there. No such luck. He put, I believe it was an Amazon generic fuel petcock on here, and it just would not flow enough fuel. You could get it to flow if you undid the hose from the petcock. You could get the fuel to flow if you disconnected the hose from the carb. But with the carb plugged in, and no, it was not the vent on the carb, it just would not flow fuel. And it was so slow that it was barely a stream of fuel. I picked up a different fuel petcock for it. Now it'll at least run. What it would do is it would run itself out of fuel because it couldn't refill the fuel bowl fast enough. But I just want to share this with you guys. This is super cool. And as you can see, the fuel gauge, we're on low. So as it's sloshing around in there, it's running it out of fuel. Alright, so to sum it up, I love this bike. I really do. I wish, I'm going to tell him that if he ever wants to sell it, I'm down to buy it. One of these will be